we are going to show you how to make a paper airplane.
A rhino.
No, not a rhino.
What? How about next time?
No. Okay. So anyways, you always know my folds. They all start off with the equal fold like this. You know, an equal fold. Alright, so you have it like this. Now what you're going to do, so I'll do, you copy, okay? And then you just make, say, fold over like that. So now you have this. Alright, so now, here's what you do. So you do this, just like this, you fold over like that. Same with the other side. And so, just fold the other side, and we'll be onto it. Alright, so now, after you're done folding both sides, you fold it together. And then after that, you want to make like small, good wings. So, not too small, but small enough where they're good at flying. Like a abstract. Dirt. You want to make like a dirt. Alright, and then whenever you have it, you're going to fold it. So, it's going to be like this. You fold it in half, and then you fold down both sides, and you just do that. That's what you also do whenever you want to refresh your plane. Alright, next what you want to do is you want to fold the wings like this. And I fold one backwards.
Fail stars.
And then same with the other side.
Fail stars.
Sure. Alright, now you have your plane. Ready? Whoa. That was far. Alright, thanks for watching. Send me a picture and of your thinks on the comment section down below. Like and subscribe like always. Hopefully you like this video. Don't just like this video like the camera, because I have a bad camera sort of, but just depending on your plane. That's how you do it. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
And ready? That's my guitar right there. Alright, bye.